We are happy to announce that we are debt free. We had a loan, so there is no liability on the IDC as of date today. We have decided to even now put reforms in all the services that are available. All services will be time bound as well as online. All the plans of all the industrial states will be digitalized. All plans will be uploaded on the website. We will have some people who will sabotage also, no problem. We will have our own staff who will sabotage, but we are going to take it head on. We have set a target for October to have everything to perfection. So we have started taking up staff issues. Staff have to be regularized. There are staff who have been working for a long time. Even that part we are taking. There are issues for promotions and this. All the RRs, everything we are taking those matters also. Some industries don't have proper roads, or rather road infrastructure was not completed. All these issues we have tendered some works. There was no water. We have seen that even water has been given to all the industries in the sense that some will be accommodated by in the form of raw water, some will be accommodated in the form of pipeline water, drinking water. All this, even some tanks we have proposed, we have started, we have tendered. We have there are issues where some rents are not paid, lease rents or something or there. Recoveries are there of those issues. So we have decided to come up with some settlement schemes also lying unutilized, land is lying unutilized. Which industry is closed? What proceedings we have to take? We have empowered the MD to take decisions.
The board today decided it is upon to set up the MSME incubation park, and we want to develop an incubation park with plug and play infrastructure that will come with all industrial facilities clearances. The only thing is, if young people have ideas to start up their business,